welcome to POV Builds. I'm your host, Mike Butt. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Fractal Design Define XL R2. The Define XL R2 is designed on the same successful principles as the acclaimed Define R4 chassis, a stylish and understated design with a focus on providing the user with a silent computer system, while offering flexibility and ease of use during installation and upgrades. With an all-new interior layout, Define XL R2 accommodates a wider range of components such as eATX, XL-ATX motherboards, and multiple graphics card setups with access to 9 PCI expansion slots. In addition, the new layout allows for installation of the largest CPU coolers, multiple hard drives, as well as providing ample space for neatly organized cable routing in the back of the case. For those who are aiming to achieve maximum sound reduction, installing water cooling components are possible in both the front and top panel. Finally, Define XL R2 carries on the Define series legacy of minimalistic and stunning Scandinavian design combined with maximum functionality and sound reduction. Full disclosure, this is not an actual ad. Fractal has not paid me a single dime or compensated me in any way for this. I just bought this case, I like the case, and I figured I'd share it with you. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and all that kind of great stuff. I'll have more content for you soon as the mail clears up and I get my stuff.